Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amara Kompo. Today's video is particularly about energy consumption. Now, someone asked me in one of my videos, the first video I did, how to use this Hisense top loader washing machine. Someone asked me if it consumes a lot of energy. So in today's video, I decided to do that experiment. So I put off all the appliances in the house. I put off all the lights, everything consuming energy, every electrical appliance, I put it off in the house. And then just before I went to put on the washing machine, I came to the meter and checked, and it was 84.49 kilowatt. And I'm only going to be using this washing machine at this time. And I'm going to be working with the fuzzy, which happens to be the one that takes a longer time, right? So I'm going to be using it to wash today. So I'm going automatic from the very beginning to the very end. So we're going to be checking my meter. I've taking note of the particular kilowatts that I have on the meter. Then at the end, I'm going to check back and see how many units it took from my meter while using this. So at the end of the day, you decide if it consumes energy or not from the results that we get. So let's head in right into the video. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's so good to have you here. Welcome to the family of amazing people. Now we're about to do this experiment. I can't wait to see what you think of it. I think that there are many people that like to measure their power usage and all that, energy usage and all that. They tend to check for appliances that consume a lot and keep away from those ones. So are you like them? I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section, because for you to be watching this video, it means you're interested. You want to know if you should get this machine or not, or you want to know how you should be using it, right? So keep watching and let's see the result at the very end. Make sure you like this video, guys, and share it to other people that you think will need this information. Thank you so much for showing up. I just want to select a desirable water level for me. I think 5 should be good. These clothes are not large. So if you actually want to learn properly how to use this washing machine automatically or manually, and then issues about drainage, maintenance, other things, go watch my previous videos. I answered all those questions there. This video is just, we want to check how much energy it consumes. So let's begin. I'm going to start the process now. So I'll be coming back. We're going to come back when it eventually ends. So once it ends, I'm going to go check my meter and see the difference, the number of units it took out from the meter, and our questions will be answered. So guys, we have 10 minutes left. The fact that I'm doing a video for energy conservation to check how much energy it consumes, right? So I'm now much more tempted to shorten the wash process, maybe by changing the rinse time or spin time, doing one thing or the other, but I just have to hold myself and wait till the very end. Minutes left. Guys, we have come to the end of the wash process, so let's go to our meter and see what's up. Okay, no need. It's review time. What do you think about this? Did it consume a lot of energy? Because when we started it was 84.49. right now it's 84.37. so what do you think? Does it consume a lot of energy? Please answer. I'd like to know. For many of us that like to measure our kilowatts whenever we use appliances or things in the house, do you think this washing machine consume a lot of energy? What do you think? I'd like to know in the comment section. Please drop your thoughts and let's discuss. Thanks guys for watching my video. If you are here and still watching to this point in time, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you have not. It remains Amara. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. So I did the maths here and this is the difference that it gave. So to those of us looking to buy this washing machine or already using it, do you think it consumes a lot of energy or not? What are your thoughts? I'd like to know in the comment section. Bye.